It retails for 120 rupees, but you can always get it on discount from a nearby store. And do not buy it from an online site, guys. Like, seriously, the prices there are just crazy. There's one seller in Amazon who is selling this for 2049 rupees, and that is a discounted price, okay? The actual price that is said was something like 2699 rupees. And apparently, this product is going to be shipped out from USA to India. Like, actual, what the hell? There's a limit of making fool out of your customers. Like, really? I will make sure that I include the description of that Amazon seller in the description box. Do check it out, guys, just for fun. The packaging is very simple with a maroonish brownish kind of color and gold details over it. The base of the packaging has the name of the shade and date of manufacturing and date of expiry written over it, which is for this product is 3 years from the date of manufacturing. When you open the cap, there's a slider at the bottom, and when you slide it, the product comes out. The cap is not very tightly shut, but because of the slider thing, it is not gonna come off in your bag and spoil it, so it is travel friendly. It has a very strong floral smell. The floral smell is not of a particular flower, it is kind of mixed. If you are a person who does not like fragrance at all in their makeup products, I suggest you do not buy this one because the smell does not go away even after the application. It has a very thick, creamy texture. It feels like it blends away very easily, but you actually need to blend it for 1 or 2 minutes to give it the nice look that you can achieve with this product. The more you blend in, the better it looks. Did you just see how the water just glides on over it? Which proves that it is a water-resistant foundation. According to description, you have to dab this product on your face, but when you try to dab it, almost like nothing shows up on your face. So you need to drag it a bit, but use very short strokes, and then use a brush or a sponge or even your fingers, whatever you have in hand, and blend it. Keep blending, 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 guys, until it looks good. And do remember to blend it in a downward motion because our facial hair grows in that direction. The other foundations are very forgiving. You can just slather them on and blend it anywhere you want, like in any direction. But with this foundation, you have to blend it in the downward direction. It is not that forgiving. If you have done a good job at blending, this foundation is going to give you a dewy, satiny kind of finish. You'll actually be able to see the glow on your face. It gives you a medium coverage. The shade which I am using is number 05, which is named as Touch and Glow. And it has peach undertone, so I thought it would color correct my under eye dark circles also. But it didn't do that. It just concealed a bit, and the concealing power is also average. Do not expect too crazy from this product. If you have really bad dark circles, it is not going to conceal everything up. But if you have like little bit of dark circles, it will flawlessly cover it for you. It does feel very hydrating and moisturizing, but still, if you have got any dry patches, this is going to cling on to it. So make sure you moisturize your face beforehand, and this goes for any foundation, any primer, any product out there. No matter how much they claim they are moisturizing, you need to moisturize your face beforehand before applying any products on your face. It will stay on your face for good 6 to 8 hours, which is really commendable for a 100 rupee foundation. Even after hours of application, it still feels moisturizing and hydrating. The product claims to be a 3-in-1 product which acts as a base, as a foundation, as a concealer with built-in moisturizer. And I think I agree with all of those. It has SPF of 12 and it also protects against UVA and UVB rays. But since it has SPF, it is not flash friendly at all. It is available in 12 different shades. Some are dark, which you can use for contouring. Some are light, which you can use for concealing, and some are even lighter, which you can use for highlighting. For 100 rupees, you are getting a lot of products to work with. To play around with. A word of caution here, do not try to layer up this foundation. It will look very made up and cakey. Even with a single layer, you need to blend it, like keep blending till it is completely blended and it looks flawless. Many of you guys out there have trust issues with lesser known brands and cheap products like this. So I dug in a bit to find out about the brand. It was actually established in 1978. It has a factory in Dehradun and it has been making products since then. They mainly make herbal products, and I guess that is why the strong floral smell. It is a registered and certified company, so I think it is okay to use their products. And by no means this video is sponsored. Disclaimer. Anyways, I almost forgot to tell you one thing, guys, that this product is a bit heavy, so it might break you out. Although it didn't break me out, I even slept the whole night with this product on my face and it didn't break me out. The stick will work best for dry and normal to combination skin people, but if you have oily skin, you need to use a translucent powder to set it. Remember, you need to use a translucent powder, not a compact with a coverage, because when you use a compact with a coverage, it will just cake up the whole thing and will look very patchy and you will not like it at all. Either use a translucent powder, and if you don't have a translucent powder, use a compact that has like very less coverage. I would suggest use the Lakme Rose powder. It is a good one. It does not have any coverage at all, but it does the job of mattifying everything. It claims that it is waterproof, I would say water resistant, moisturizing, yes it is moisturizing. It also claims that it is sweat proof. Now coming to that, it is not exactly sweat proof. You will see tiny beads of perspiration coming on your face, and if you live in India and in a place like Delhi, it is still hot out here. So what you need to do is just take a clean tissue paper, press it lightly on your face, and it will remove the sweat from your face without disturbing your foundation at all. It does transfer a lot while talking over the phone, or if you doze off on your desk while attending a lecture in the classroom. But cut some slack, guys. This product is for 100 rupees. What else do you want it to do? It is moisturizing, it is water resistant, it is maybe sweat proof too, and it is giving you such a beautiful finish, a dewy satiny look. What else do you want? Final verdict. Would I recommend you guys to buy this product? Of course, yes. It is just for 100 rupees. You can use this one for concealing, for highlighting, for contouring, or as a foundation, as I just explained. So, for 100 rupees, you get to play around with different makeup products. So that was all for the review, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and of course it is gonna mean a lot to me. If you have the time, do follow me on social media also. I will put the links in the description box and also on the screen right here. Till next time, take care, bye bye. Today I'll be reviewing the Olivia makeup. Do not buy it online, guys. And gold details over it. It is kind of mixed. this is Priyanka from Pinkash, and today I'll be creating this look right here for the under 100 rupees challenge created by Shreya Jain from SJ Loves Jewelry. So let's get started.